Going to Arizona without Jordan.
I'm not coming, guys. Yeah, they're gonna be filming themselves for a week.
He didn't even show me how to use the camera, so
I'm gonna put it on auto so it should be good.
we'll see if we make it. Oh, you didn't even teach me how to use the camera. I'm sorry in advance if this vlog turns out very bad. But I'll be gone for a week. I'm just gonna take little clips here and there. All right, man. Oh, dude, I don't even know.
No, is it good?
It's recording.
Yeah,
wait, how do you focus this stuff, man?
Not the focus.
Dude, this is gonna be bad.
Huh?
I'll see you later.
Are you on purpose? Oh, okay.
All right, man.
Peace.
What is this?
Came to Arizona and was like, I'm bored. Bought crazy cart instead.
Yeah, Jordan, where are you, man? This is gonna get epic. 3-man tandems on the main road. 3 grown men bombing.
Grown man. Grown big man.
I gotta get creative like Jordan. When in Arizona, you buy crazy carts. Oh, they're doing a double filmage. All right, so here's the plan. We're gonna set up a little course. Oh, that looks bad. Oh, feel your tires, they're on fire. Have to have B-roll of us like hanging out.
Jordan, this is the B-roll. Use this one.
Jordan, we don't know how to change the setting to slow motion, so we gotta do it ourselves. I'm going straight! Dude, it's only 110 out. I don't know why it's doing this. I'm gonna 360 entry like this. Am I gonna drive home like this?
You're just dragging your back tire.
like real life. Gotta have spare tires. What are we doing?
I was like so.
Do the subscribe thing, dude.
No!
Do the subscribe thing.
I'm not that guy.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, I'm gonna poop in your pants.
The feds can put cops.
We're in Arizona for some reason with Gabe and Rob. Turn the camera on yourself, Rob. How you do that? Selfie cam. We're going to buy some wheels because we buy wheels everywhere we go. We're hoarders.
Buy all the wheels and give them safe places
To live.
You know?
Yes.
It's all about
saving the wheels.
giving back to the community.
Hello YouTube, subscribe to my channel where I teach you how to cook instant noodles. Okay, bye.
I have an addiction.
On today's episode of Wheel Hoarders featuring Eot.
Dude, I can't stop, man.
For the house.
So, Jordan's not here. And backup camera guy. Ah! So everyone go comment. Leave a comment for Jordan. What did it say?
We miss you because Robert doesn't know what he's doing with the camera.
Yeah, we'll judge.
Is this an artistic shot right here? Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, this is beautiful.
Let's go!
Hey Jordan, check it out, bro. Ooh, all the battles you need. What a battles you need, you should have came.
I just want to do like super random stuff so Jordan's looking to the footage like, what is all this stuff? It's like nothing he can use, it's just...
You got massaging noodles before you make the pasta. You know, you can't.
Not again, not again, not again, not again, not again! No! No!
There's no audio.
No! No!
I'm Robbie Knoxville and this is Jack Butt.
Jack Butt. Nelson, give a shout out for yourself, man.
Follow me, it's Nelson
Make some
with
money.
3 N's. It's Nelson
Sick
with 3 N's.
So we went from hash browns to quesadillas. I don't know, man. This is way too familiar.
We need this
You want-
angle right here.
You want some? Gabe, you want some?
Come on, man.
Yeah, you're weird, man. Going to Sedona.
Sorry,
What time
sir.
is it?
No cameras, sir.
What time is it right
No
now?
cameras, sir.
It's like 4:30 in the morning.
I'm security for EOT. No cameras, sir.
Brandon's in a great mood. He's an early morning person, as you can see.
Morning people are the worst. All happy and stuff in the morning.
Yeah.
It's so stupid.
Hello, my name is Dodo. Hello, my name is Dodo.
Go!